So we have now done everything in Desmos and everything to multiply. But I want to come back and actually do the multiplication with the TI-84. 83 really pretty much does the same thing too. But here with it, it's going to be very important that you guys know how to do it with a calculator, because if you have taken an ACT, or you have to take it like with another class or something like that, and they don't allow you to use Desmos, you still have to know how to do it. So I'm going to show you how to do it with the calculator. So first things first, again, your dimensions are important. So we know this one is a 2x2, 2 rows, 2 columns, RC cola. This is 2 rows, 2 columns, 2 rows, 4 columns. So 2 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, RC cola columns. All right, we know these are the same, so it can be multiplied. Those are the same there. So our answer is going to have a matrix of 2x4, and we did this in the last video, so we already know what the answer is, but we're just going to do it by a calculator step. Alright, so I'm going to put the steps over here, the keystrokes over here on this side, so that way you can see like what to do and what to press in what order. Alright, we're going to hit the second button here. That's that blue button, the second button, and we're going to hit X to the -1. And if you look right above the X -1 button, there's a blue word matrix there. So here, we have the X -1 button right there. It has a blue word matrix right there. So the light might be hitting it, so you can't see it now, but it's there. And it pulls up our matrices. Woo. Alright, so X to -1. Perfect. Alright, now with it, we're going to edit because we have to put these two matrices in. So we're going to go to the right twice. 1 and 2. So we go over 1, 2. And then we hit enter on edit. And guys, this will be the same process each time. Alright, once we get here, we're going to go ahead and put our dimension in for the first one. So 2x2. We'll do 4, 2, 3. Sorry, 4, 2, 1, 3. After every number, you just hit enter and it moves on to the next one. Put 4, hit enter, 2, enter, 1, enter, 3, enter. Alright, and we have our matrix there. It matches up with the matrix that we said right there. 4, 2, 1, 3. Alright, so we have that. So let's now move into doing this again. So this time we're going to hit the second button again, and X to -1. So we're going to repeat that. It's going to be very similar to what we have up here, but we're going to add one extra thing in here. So we're going to hit the second button, again, X to -1 right there. We're going to go over 1, 2, so just like before. That has not changed. But before we hit enter, we have to go down 1. So that way we can go to B and actually not write over A again. So we have to have two different matrices, one for this matrix and one for that matrix. So we have to have two. And then we hit enter. So we just added one step. We went down this time. So we hit enter. Again, put in your matrices, the dimension, sorry, that's a 2x4. Alright, and then we put the numbers in, just like we did. 1, enter, 2, enter, 3, enter, 4, enter. And then we have 0, enter, 2, enter, -1, enter, and 6, enter. Right? At this point, we can do, again, second X to -1 power. And what you're going to notice is that we actually have both matrices up there now. So second X to -1 again. Now see, we have both matrices up there. We have matrix A and B, the 2x2 that's right there, and the 2x4 that's there. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to hit, because we're going to multiply it now, we're going to hit enter. Hit enter. We got that. We can look at it and everything, see what's going on. Oh, no, sorry. Sorry about that. No. Don't hit enter. I'm sorry. So instead of us hitting second and X to -1, my bad, guys. Sorry about that. So once we put them into the calculator, we need to do seconds quit. a second mode. So here, I'm going to just go back real quick. We're on this page. Went to edit here. So I'm back here. We're going to do second quit now. So second mode right there. And that takes us back to our home screen. Alright, so but doing second mode, it took us back to our home screen. Now, what we're going to do is we have to pull matrix A and matrix B up. So to do that, we're going to again hit, and I'm going to actually do this part in a different color. Again, we're going to hit second, but from the home screen, we're going to hit second x to negative 1 power. X to negative 1. And we're going to hit enter here. You can hit enter or press 1. Let's just press 1. Press 1. That way it makes it a little bit easier. Alright. So we get A. Don't do anything else yet. We're going to go back and hit second and x to the negative 1 power again. So second x to negative 1. And this time we hit 2. So that's where our matrices are. So we have A times B. And then we just hit enter. And it gives us our answer. Hit enter. Alright, and it gives us the answer. That's what we had the last time when we actually did it by hand. So that final answer, and I'm going to pull this back up real quick. So this is what we had last time. And we got the same answers right here. So it works with the calculator and it works by hand. I'm also going to show you the other one we did, which was C. Let me do this. So C. All we did was just switch these around, these two matrices around. And so I'm going to show you guys how to do that in the calculator too, because we already have our matrices set. That's the most important part, is getting it set. That part's done, so this next part's going to be just easy. All right, so we have that. So we, in the calculator, we have this set as B, this is set as A. And this one here was set as A. This one is set as A. This one is set as B. So we did A times B here and got our answer. This one's going to be B times A. And we already know because the dimensions won't match up correctly, it should be an error. So with it, that's what we're going to do. So we're going to come back here again, the purple part. We're going to do, but this time we're going to do it backwards. We're going to do it backwards. So here we're going to do second x to negative 1. We're going to do number 2 first, because that's B. Then we do second x negative 1 and do number 1. So now we have BA, like we said here, BA, BA, BA. Hit enter, and it shouldn't work out. And it says dimensions mismatch. So therefore, that's dimensions mismatch. So therefore, it cannot be done. So if you do a calculator, like an 84 calculator, and you get that answer, it cannot be done. So either you did something wrong, or it just can't work. So that is our calculator, guys. So with it, that's our calculator. That's all the steps. And so here, just go ahead and have fun with that. Take advantage of that, and you'll be good. All right. Take care, guys. That is the end of matrices.